Bowed walls down on your foundation are caused when that soil on the outside has swollen to the point, the clay in the soil has swollen to the point where it's pressurized the wall and either bowed it in the middle, kicked it out from the bottom, or kicked it in from the top. And it'll cause that wall to ultimately move. And so some people ask us, in terms of cost, obviously these repairs can be costly, but they can also be affordable depending on how long that issue has been around. This is one of those issues with many issues when in the foundation world, the longer you wait, the more expensive it becomes. And that is very true with a bowed wall scenario, because bowed walls can be repaired rather affordably if they're caught early, because then it only takes I-beam braces, which are in today's monies, it's $300 to $400 maybe a beam, and we can set these beams anywhere from as little as 3 feet apart up to 6 feet apart, depending on the type of wall, the type, the bowing, the occurring, a lot of variables. But we can space those out affordably, so it's not a rather expensive repair for a homeowner. But once that bowed wall moves in so far, the tolerances tend to be right around 3 inches. If it gets beyond 3 inches, then that beam repair is not possible. Now we're talking about an extremely expensive, many times depending on the length, of an exterior dig out and a waterproof, where we have to push that wall back to flush or level. So bowed walls and the repair of the cost of bowed walls, depending on how long they've been around, depending on how far they've gone, there are varying expensive and multiple types of repairs that can be paired with that repair. What I encourage any homeowner who's starting to see a wall that's beginning to move or bow is definitely have somebody take a look at that sooner than later, because this is the one that will only get more expensive over time.